Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special in store for all you DIY enthusiasts and crafters out there. We're diving deep into the Dremel 4000-230th variable speed rotary toolkit. This right here is a game changer, and I'm going to tell you why it's the best Dremel tool available in the market. First off, let's talk about what you get in the kit. You get the Dremel 4000 corded rotary tool, 2 attachments, 30 high-quality Dremel accessories, a plastic storage case, and an accessory case. It's an all-in-one package for your DIY needs. Hey there! Now, what sets the Dremel 4000 apart from the rest? Well, let's dive into its features. This tool boasts a high-performance motor that provides maximum power and performance at all speeds. It has a variable speed range from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, making it perfect for various applications. The Dremel 4000 is designed with an innovative ventilation mechanism that helps prevent heat buildup. This ensures smoother, cooler, and quieter operation, even during demanding tasks. One of the standout features is its slim and ergonomic body. With a 360-degree grip zone, it offers added comfort and control during extended use. Having a separate on-off switch and speed dial is a game-changer. It allows you to achieve the perfect speed every time, enhancing precision in your projects. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Dremel 4000 is your go-to tool for a wide range of applications, including sanding, grinding, cutting, carving, polishing, and drilling. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional crafter, this tool has got you covered. In the kit, you also get 2 attachments: the 67801 circle cutter, straight edge guide, and the A576 sanding, grinding guide. These attachments open up even more possibilities for your projects. This product is designed for use in the US, so please check compatibility and consider using an adapter or converter for use in your region. Now, you might be wondering about the price. At the time of this video, you can grab the Dremel 4000-230th rotary toolkit for a fantastic deal. It's Amazon's choice in power rotary tools by Dremel, and it's currently on a Black Friday deal. Plus, there are different size and accessory options to choose from, so you can tailor it to your specific needs. And hey, if you want to take your Dremel game to the next level, consider adding some additional accessories like the Dremel 9951 power carving bit or the Dremel EZ40602 starter kit. Speaking of accessories, you can also find some great deals on frequently bought together items, like the Dremel Flex Shaft rotary tool attachment and more. Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on some important technical details, such as the difference between the Dremel 4000 and the Dremel 3000, electronic feedback control, and what applications the Dremel 4000 excels at. In conclusion, the Dremel 4000-230th variable speed rotary toolkit is a versatile and powerful tool that can tackle a wide range of DIY and crafting projects. With its high-performance motor, innovative features, and included attachments and accessories, it's truly the best Dremel tool on the market. If you're ready to take your DIY game to the next level, don't miss out on this incredible deal. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Dremel 4000-230th rotary toolkit today. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy crafting!